Apples have long been recognized as a staple of healthy eating, celebrated for their versatility and impressive array of nutrients. Packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential compounds, apples offer a variety of health benefits that go far beyond their sweet and crisp appeal. However, while many enjoy this beloved fruit daily, they might not realize that consuming apples the wrong way can limit their benefits or even pose risks to their health. One of the standout advantages of apples lies in their ability to support digestive health. Their high content of insoluble fiber plays a vital role in promoting regular bowel movements and combating constipation. These fibers add bulk to stools, making digestion more efficient and comfortable. Additionally, apples are rich in prebiotics, which feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome, supported by regular apple consumption, can enhance overall nutrient absorption and contribute to better digestive function. Another remarkable benefit of apples is their role in blood sugar control. Thanks to their soluble fibers, such as pectin, apples help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This prevents sudden spikes and dips in blood glucose levels, making them an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. By incorporating apples into your diet, you can enjoy a naturally sweet snack while supporting balanced blood sugar levels. While apples provide a host of benefits, improper consumption habits can reduce their effectiveness. From peeling the fruit unnecessarily to neglecting proper washing techniques, there are several common mistakes people make that can compromise the nutrients apples have to offer. Mistake number 5, for example, is so widespread that nearly 90% of people make it without realizing it. Understanding these errors is key to making the most of this nutritious fruit. Stay tuned as we delve into some surprising insights about how to choose, store, and consume apples correctly. You'll not only learn how to maximize the health benefits of apples but also discover ways to avoid the pitfalls that might be sabotaging your efforts to lead a healthier lifestyle. Apples are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wealth of benefits that make them an indispensable part of a healthy diet. One of their most notable components is pectin, a soluble fiber that plays a significant role in slowing the digestion of carbohydrates. This gradual digestion ensures a steady release of energy, making apples a perfect choice for sustaining vitality throughout the day. Regular consumption of apples can also enhance insulin sensitivity, contributing to better metabolic health and reducing the risk of related conditions. The benefits of apples extend to heart health as well. Packed with fibers like pectin, apples help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. This process prevents the buildup of arterial plaque, reducing the risk of blockages and maintaining healthy blood flow. Apples are also rich in potassium, a mineral essential for regulating blood pressure and supporting overall cardiovascular function. Additionally, they contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant that reduces inflammation in the arteries, further protecting against heart disease. By incorporating apples into your daily routine, you can significantly lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes while promoting long-term cardiovascular wellness. Apples are equally valuable for brain health. Frequent consumption can aid in protecting against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Research highlights that antioxidants, particularly quercetin, in apples help combat oxidative stress, a major factor in nerve cell degeneration. Furthermore, apples contain compounds that support the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory and learning. These combined properties make apples an excellent choice for maintaining cognitive function and mental clarity. Another benefit of apples lies in their ability to provide sustained energy. Unlike refined sugars, the natural carbohydrates in apples are absorbed slowly, preventing energy crashes and keeping the body energized for longer. Their fiber content also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an ideal snack for pre-workout energy or a midday boost. Lastly, apples play a role in cancer prevention. Their rich antioxidant content, including quercetin and vitamin C, combats free radicals that cause cell damage and promote tumor growth. Regular consumption is linked to a lower risk of cancers such as lung, colon, and breast cancer. Additionally, the fiber in apples supports gut health, aiding in toxin elimination and reducing the likelihood of colon cancer, making apples a true ally in disease prevention. Apples offer a wealth of health benefits that extend far beyond their delicious taste. The fiber in apples plays a vital role in promoting intestinal health by improving bowel movements and aiding in the efficient elimination of toxins. This not only enhances digestion but may also reduce the risk of colon cancer by supporting a clean and healthy gut. For bone health, apples are rich in potassium and vitamin K, two essential nutrients. Potassium helps neutralize acids that can weaken bones, while vitamin K enhances calcium absorption, ensuring better bone density and strength. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in apples further protect against bone diseases like osteoporosis, making them especially valuable for postmenopausal women. Apples also contribute to oral health. While they don't replace brushing, chewing an apple acts as a natural toothbrush, removing food particles and helping clean teeth between meals. The act of chewing also stimulates saliva production, which fights bacteria and neutralizes acids, reducing the risk of cavities and gum issues. Adding apples to your diet is a practical and tasty way to support overall dental hygiene while enjoying their numerous other health benefits. Mistake 1. One common mistake when eating apples is neglecting to address pesticide residues. Many non-organic apples are treated with pesticides, which can pose risks to health if consumed regularly. To minimize exposure, consider opting for organic apples whenever possible. If organic options aren't available, take extra care to wash your apples thoroughly under running water. Using a fruit brush or a specialized produce cleaning solution can help remove any lingering pesticide residues, ensuring your apples are safe and healthy to enjoy. Mistake 2. While apples are packed with health benefits, eating too many can lead to digestive issues like gas and bloating. To enjoy their goodness without discomfort, practice moderation and balance your intake. Incorporating apples into your diet in reasonable amounts ensures you reap their benefits without unwanted side effects. Mistake 3. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that can release cyanide, a potentially harmful toxin, when consumed in large amounts. While small quantities are generally harmless, it's wise to avoid eating the seeds altogether to eliminate any risk. Enjoy the nutritious fruit, but discard the seeds to prioritize your safety. Mistake 4. While apples are nutritious on their own, pairing them with healthy fats like nuts, almond butter, or natural yogurt can boost their benefits. These combinations improve nutrient absorption and keep you feeling full longer, making your snack both more satisfying and wholesome. Enhance your apple experience by adding these complementary foods to your plate. Mistake 5. Peeling an apple might seem harmless, but it can strip away many of the fruit's most valuable nutrients. The apple's skin is packed with dietary fiber, essential vitamins, and powerful antioxidants that contribute to its health benefits. Fiber in the peel supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, antioxidants like quercetin, concentrated in the peel, help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol and improving arterial function. Removing the peel means losing these vital compounds, which play a crucial role in overall well-being. Whenever possible, eat apples with their peel intact to maximize their benefits. Just be sure to wash them thoroughly to remove any pesticide residues or dirt. By enjoying the fruit whole, you'll take full advantage of its natural goodness and enhance your health. Mistake 6. Storing apples at room temperature for too long can cause them to spoil quickly, impacting their texture and flavor. To keep them fresh and crisp, it's best to store apples in the fruit drawer of your refrigerator. This helps preserve their quality for a longer period, ensuring you enjoy them at their best. Mistake 7. Eating apples that are poorly preserved or have visible signs of spoilage can be risky, as they may contain harmful toxins. Always inspect your apples before consumption, checking for mold spots or any signs of decay. If you notice any, discard them to avoid potential health risks and ensure you're enjoying the fruit at its best. Mistake 8. Sticking to just one type of apple means missing out on the variety of flavors, textures, and health benefits different varieties provide. Whether it's the tartness of green apples, the sweetness of red apples, or the rosy pink hues of others, each type offers something unique. Exploring various apple varieties enhances your experience and adds variety to your diet. Mistake 9. Apple allergies can occur when your body reacts negatively to apples, whether they're eaten whole or in processed forms like applesauce, cider, or juice. Apples are also present in apple pectin, a common gelling agent in jams and jellies. Symptoms of an apple allergy vary from mild discomfort to severe reactions, with some individuals experiencing anaphylaxis, a life-threatening condition. Anaphylaxis causes a drop in blood pressure, narrows the airways, and makes breathing difficult. If you suspect an apple allergy, immediate medical attention and an epinephrine injection are crucial to manage the symptoms and prevent serious complications. If you or someone around you experiences signs of anaphylaxis, call 911 immediately. Now, when it comes to choosing, storing, and enjoying apples, here are a few tips. Look for apples that are firm to the touch, with smooth, unblemished skin. Opt for organic apples, as they are free from harmful pesticide residues. Store apples in the fridge's fruit drawer to keep them fresh for longer. To prevent them from ripening other fruits quickly, store them separately, as apples release ethylene gas, which accelerates ripening. To get the most out of your apples, eat them with the peel on, as it contains many of the fruit's beneficial nutrients. For a nutritious snack, pair apples with peanut butter or almonds. You can also slice them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or bake them with cinnamon for a delicious and healthy dessert. How many of these mistakes were you making? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for next week, where I'll reveal the secrets behind another super popular fruit. Can you guess which one it is? If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out these 2 videos we've specially selected for you. Thanks for watching.